Hello, this is Alicia from Quick and Delish. I'm here to show you an awesome salad that I made about a month ago or something like that. This recipe was included in one of our self-care is our best defense videos, and I just wanted to make it for you again, so it was just a complete tight video. So here we go. The ingredients for the salad include, I'm going to use arugula. This is wild arugula from Trader Joe's. I'm going to pick some parsley. This is Italian parsley. I'm just going to pick the leaves in there. You could chop the parsley, sure, but I'm just going to pick the leaves. I cooked these chickpeas today. A pound of chickpeas I soaked overnight, and then they cooked in like half an hour because they weren't like ancient beans. If they haven't been stored for a long time, then they'll cook faster. So if you've had dry beans in your home for like 3 years, they're gonna take a little longer than the ones that are fresher. I'm going to add some spiced roasted carrots, which I'll show you how to make. And these, I'll tell you in a second what they are. They're salt, pepper, pure olive oil, Chinese 5-spice, and that's it. So you could use pumpkin pie spice, you could use za'atar, you could use garam masala, curry powder. Carrots benefit from being paired with a sweet spice like cinnamon to bring out the sweetness in them. I have some scallions I'm going to toss in. I have some snap peas. I'll show you how to cut them. And I got some cucumber. I just chopped up real quick before the video. The roasted red bell pepper from Trader Joe's, jarred. I love roasted red pepper. I'll roast my own, certainly, but in a pinch. These count as vegetables and super delicious. You can add these to hummus, make roasted red pepper hummus. I got whole Kalamata olives, and I pitted them, so you'll see me pit them. It's good to make sure that the pits are removed so you don't bite on one. Everybody's bitten on a pit, and that's super not fun. Or you could get pitted Kalamata olives. These ones from Trader Joe's are awesome. Not all olives are awesome. You have to buy the jar, see if you like them, and then go from there. Oh, last but not least, before I forget, I just seared these meatballs. These are lamb meatballs. This is prepared lamb sausage that I cooked as mini meatballs, and I thought that was really fun. So my protein will be a combination of chickpeas and mini lamb meatballs. I'm gonna add a little bit of sherry vinegar and salt, pepper. I'm actually going to dress the salad with, I just warmed up some garlic. This is minced garlic that I warmed up with dried oregano and some olive oil. So this is the olive oil. I'm gonna use some of this for the dressing in my salad. Okay, cool. So first up, I wanted to show you, I'm gonna cut the snap peas in half like this. I removed the strings, and then I want to show you, I'm gonna add 1 strawberry to my salad. I really like, I just enjoy fruit in my salad. I'm just gonna cut the stem off like so, and then this is a super sexy strawberry. I'm gonna cut it into somehow 8 pieces. That's it. I'm gonna do a little swap-a-rooney. So first up, I'm gonna make the salad. I'm trying to keep track. This is just for me. And I don't like wasting food, especially a salad, because it's typically, depending on what kind of salad. If it's a coleslaw salad, it's not that great the next day. So I actually like the stems, but for the salad, I'm gonna take the stems off. Like if I mince parsley for something, I'll keep like most of the stems. I really like parsley. It's a palate cleanser. Just gonna get a couple more leaves here. To make the salad extra good, I'm gonna take a heavy ½ cup of chickpeas. I'm gonna coat the chickpeas in this deliciously warm garlic, oregano, olive oil. I'm putting all of the olive oil that I need in the salad in here. Half of a lemon juiced. So I'm gonna add seriously a pinch. I already salted these chickpeas when I cooked them. Salt, pepper. So these are seasoned, and this is most of the dressing. I'm gonna go ahead, because we're assuming that this is most of the dressing, I'm adding just a little bit of sherry vinegar because I like how lemon juice and a little bit of some other kind of vinegar just add more complexity and flavor. They make the salad pop when you use more. Okay, actually I'm going to add all of the vegetables to this. Okay, so I've mixed the chickpeas, the roasted red pepper, snap peas, cucumber. You could use any vegetables. You could use shredded carrot instead of roasted carrot because it's super easy to shred some carrot. I just wanted to plant the seed of the notion of awesome roasted spiced carrots. They're so delicious. Okay, wow, this salad is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna add some spiced carrots. Just gonna add 2 more. So it's all about healthy eating. We want to have fun when we're healthy eating. It sounds like I'm demanding that of you, and I am. We want to have fun when we're healthy eating. So check out the colors here. This is amazing. So I'm just gonna add, if you added these when they are just cooked, that would be ideal. Because I like the temperature. I like the contrast when you have something warm and something that's cold, and I just think that it just makes everything pop. Okay, so that's the salad. It's amazing. I'm gonna toss it with 2 forks, and I'm gonna add the strawberries, which will just make the whole salad pop. And certainly if you don't like fruit in your salad, don't add fruit to your salad. I know there's 2 types of people. I like how it adds sweetness, and I like to encourage you to think about how if you add sweetness to your meal, like the carrots, spiced carrots are sweet, and the roasted red pepper are sweet in this dish, and the snap peas are sweet. So you have 3 components that add sweetness. You can go ahead and add a fruit. I'm gonna taste this for you before I add the strawberries. Okay, this is interesting. You'll be shocked, but this is perfectly dressed. I don't want any more olive oil, it's perfect. I'll taste a lamb mini meatball for you. A little salty, but it's understandable. Pre-made sausage is usually a little salty. A couple strawberries for added sweetness. You can even add some sort of like roasted strawberry balsamic vinaigrette to this kind of salad, and that would add a different kind of sweetness. So if you took a package of frozen or fresh strawberries, or any kind of raspberries would be great too, and you roast them with olive oil and some balsamic vinegar, and then while they roast, the water evaporates and the flavors concentrate, making this delicious sauce. And then that can be a base for salad dressing. So add salt, pepper to that, and then you have this vinaigrette that you can use in salads. It's amazing. So that's it from me. This is a super easy, quick salad. If you don't want to roast carrots, just use shredded carrot. Use some sort of cabbage slaw to add a little bit more fiber and veggies. And I hope you try this and comment below telling me how you like the salad. Subscribe and share. I would love to hear if you make this salad. And I hope you enjoy this. And until next time, this is Alicia Connor signing out from Quick and Delish.